everyone. This is me and Laurie again, outside today on Mother's Day. It's a little cloudy in Melbourne today, but at least it's not too cold, is it, Laurie? It's not too cold, is it? Just want to say again, Happy Mother's Day to everyone. And for those of you who have birds and look after birds and love your birds like we do, thank you for the great job you do for your beautiful birds and your family. And where's Laurie gone? There she is. Thank you for the great work you do, and I know how much is involved. And I think someone wants to have a bath now, and I'm going to end up getting a bath. Here we go.